Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need an active Apple ID and the iCloud email added to your account. Make sure FaceTime is enabled in settings. Open the FaceTime app now because you will add a contact and place the call immediately. Tap the plus button and start typing the iCloud email address. This is how FaceTime routes to the recipient. Once you see the email in the list, tap it to create a call entry. This starts the call process. Don't pause here. Continue to the next steps. Now you'll select whether this is a video or audio call. Tap the camera icon for video or the phone icon for audio. Make sure the iCloud email is spelled exactly as it appears in the other person's Apple ID because FaceTime matches addresses precisely. If they have multiple addresses, confirm which one they use for FaceTime. Once you tap to call, wait for the ringing indicator. If it connects, adjust microphone and camera permissions as needed to continue the conversation smoothly. To finish, press the red hang up button, simple and final. If the call fails, first verify the iCloud email is active on the recipient's Apple ID and that both devices have FaceTime enabled. Next, make sure you have a stable network. Weak Wi-Fi often causes connection drops. If problems persist, restart the FaceTime app, toggle FaceTime off then on in settings, and reboot the device. This often clears registration or network glitches and restores calling capability quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.